RV Adventures. Age is just a number. Hi, I'm Lori, and welcome to my channel, Lori's RV Life. Ready to ditch the routine and embrace the open road? This is for all you amazing folks who know life begins at 60, or any age, really. Let's get inspired. Traveling solo doesn't mean you're alone. It means you're free. Free to explore, free to discover, and free to be you. Imagine waking up to a new view every day, setting your own pace, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. You've earned this freedom. Who says you can't customize your RV to perfectly fit your needs? From simple storage solutions to adding a touch of personal flair, DIY is your superpower. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. There are tons of easy and fun projects you can tackle, even on the road. Think painted cabinets, new curtains, or a cozy reading nook. The RV community is incredibly welcoming and supportive. Connect with other travelers online or at campgrounds. Share stories, tips, and maybe even a campfire. You'll find a network of like-minded adventurers ready to cheer you on and offer a helping hand. You're never truly alone on the road. Ready to hit the road and unleash your inner DIY queen? Subscribe for more RV tips, DIY inspiration, and stories of amazing women conquering the open road. Share this video with a friend who needs a little inspiration, and let's get adventuring.